This is your Varshini from ZPHS Rayakuduru. Keep learning, keep practicing the secret of success. Friends, I think you are eagerly waiting for our video. Well, we have come back again to surprise you. Today's topic is have. In this video, we are going to learn how to use have, has, had and will have. Shall we start? Come on.
I have a bag. I have a pencil.
I have a pen. She has a bicycle.
I have a beautiful family. I have a brother.
They have color markers. Look at my bag. It has a zip.
I have a parrot. It has green feathers.
You don't have mobiles. Our school has all facilities.
She has sisters, but she doesn't have brothers.
I don't have a bicycle. I don't have a bike.
We don't have a car.
This is a pen, but it doesn't have a cap.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I do.
Does your father have a bike?
Yes, he does.
Does your father have a car?
No, he doesn't.
Hi.
Hi.
Do you have an eraser?
Yes, I do.
How many erasers do you have?
I have 2 erasers.
Can I borrow it?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Hi.
Hi.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a pencil?
No, I don't.
I have a ruler. She has a pencil, but she doesn't have a ruler.
Hi Deepika.
Hi.
Why didn't you attend my birthday party?
Sorry, Aparna. As I had some household chores, I couldn't attend.
Never mind.
How did the party go?
It went very well. We had a lot of fun last night.
Well, I hope I will have some more fun in your next birthday.
Certainly. Hi.
Hi.
Where are you going?
I am going shopping.
For what?
For bangles, will you accompany me?
No, I won't. I have a function to attend.
It's okay, bye.
Bye.
This year my father has a bike.
This year my father doesn't have a bike.
Last year my father had a bicycle.
Last year my father didn't have a bicycle.
Next year my father will have a car.
Next year my father will not have a car.
Hi.
Hi.
What do you have to make the project?
I have some charts and color pencils.
Do you have pictures?
No, I don't. I had some pictures last week, but my sister took them for her project.
Nothing to worry. You will have some beautiful pictures if you get my home.
Thank you.
With pleasure.
What do you have?
I have some money.
What do you have? I have a bag. What do you have?
I have a book.
What do you have?
I have a watch.
What do you have?
I have a bottle.
What do you have?
I have a water bottle.
What do you have?
I have spectacles.
What do you have?
I have a wristwatch.
What do you have?
I have a lunch box.
What do you have?
I have a box.
What do you have?
I have a snacks box.
What do you have?
I have ribbons.
What do you have?
I have a writing pad.
What do you have?
I have a pouch.
What do you have?
I have a book.
What do you have?
I have a ruler.
What do you have?
I have a ring.
What do you have?
I have a watch.
What do you have?
I have a bangle.
What do you have?
I have a handkerchief.
What do you have?
I have a chain.
What do you have?
I have nothing.
Do you have a chain?
Yes, I do.
Do you have bangles?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a watch?
No, I don't.
Do you have a ring?
No, I don't.
What do you have?
I have a book.
What does he have?
He has a watch.
What do they have?
They have watches.
What do you have?
I have bangles.
What does she have?
She has a chain.
What do they have?
They have chains.
Friends, if the subject is singular, we use has. If the subject is plural, we use have. But I is the special case. Even it is singular, I is followed by have. Right?
Friends, once there was a businessman. He had a big grocery store. In the beginning, it ran well. He had good profit, but he was greedy. He adulterated the groceries. Prior to this, his customers had faith in him, but they soon found out his deception. As a result, profits in his business decreased drastically. The government officials raided his store. He was imprisoned and fined. Before his imprisonment, he had everything. He had a house like a palace. He had an expensive car. He had many servants to serve him. But now he has nothing. So friends, be happy with what you have. Of course, you can try to have some more, but it must be done honestly, right?
Friends, sometimes comments are turned off because of YouTube restrictions. So we request you to post your comments to our SEKHAR'S WhatsApp number 90101 81123. We think
Your feedback will help us to improve ourselves. Okay friends, let's begin with a different topic. Until then, take care. Bye bye.